Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. How much time in your life you hear God a call you to change your ways them and turn to him? You think say he need to give you one more sign? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. Them. And if you don't do it yet, just do it now. No, go and go click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 12 from verse 38 to verse 42. Then some of the law teacher and the Pharisee them said to Jesus, say, Teacher, we want to see you show we one sign. But Jesus answered them, say, the people them in at that time yeah, are one wicked set of people. Them ask for one sign, but would have proved say a God send me. Them nah get none. The only sign them go get is something like what did happen with Jonah the prophet. Just like how Jonah did the in the big fish belly for 3 days and 3 nights. As same so, the man where God pick I go bury deep in the ground for 3 days and 3 nights. The people from Nineveh I go turn up on judgment day with the people them from that time yeah, and show them, say them wrong. Cause the Nineveh people them did sorry for them wrong what them do and change them ways when Jonah did come preach to them. And now, sitting away bigger than Jonah, the righteous so. The queen we come from Sheba in the south, she go come back alive with the people them from that time yeah, and sure say them wrong. Cause she did come from far, far, just for hear the wise sitting them where Solomon did have to say. And now sitting away bigger than Solomon, the righteous so. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.